Good morning. I am Chris Ibaga of the UST PNRI. Today I will be presenting our project, Characterization and Resource Estimation of Valuable Rare Earth Elements and Natural Radionuclides in the Philippine Coal and Feldspar Deposits. Critical raw materials are defined as materials that are economically important but have a high risk related with their supply. The European Union listed 30 CRMs, including REEs or rare earth elements. Rare earth element is the collective name for 17 chemically similar elements, the 15 lanthanides, lanthanum to lutetium, together with yttrium and scandium. REs have diverse application in several industries, such as clean energy, electronics, aerospace, etc. China is the leading RE producer, and its monopoly adds to the uncertainties to the RE supply picture. Since RE supply is not sufficient in the next 15 years, researchers are looking for alternative RE sources. In the US, elevated RE contents are discovered in coal basins, while in China, the weathering material of granitic rocks, which is mainly consists of feldspar, is considered an RE source. The overall objective of the project is to characterize the valuable REs and radionuclides in the Philippine coal and feldspar deposits using handheld LIBS analyzer for REs and handheld gamma ray spectrometer for natural radionuclides. LIBS, or laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, is an emerging tool in mineral exploration. Our industry partners for this study are Semirara Mining and Power Corporation and PNOC Exploration Corporation, or PNOCEC. LIBS analysis shows that some REs in both Semirara and PNOC coals are higher than the crustal average. PNOC has higher total REs relative to Semirara coal, and based on the current prices, the REs in Semirara and PNOC coal ash samples could be worth $53 and $94 per metric ton, respectively. Regarding the radionuclide contents, potassium, uranium, and thorium in Semirara and PNOC coals are close to the average crust. Surprisingly, elevated gold contents are reported in Semirara and PNOC coals. The gold content of PNOC coal is up to 0.5 grams per ton, higher than the 0.32 grams per ton gold cutoff grade in Padcal mine. For feldspar deposits, the RE content of Ilocos Norte feldspar is below the crustal average, while the RE concentrations of El Nido feldspar are almost 2 times higher than the average crust. Also, Ce, Sm, Dy, and Y contents of El Nido feldspar are close to the cutoff grade of RE mines in southern China. The RE in El Nido feldspar could be worth $45 per metric ton. The radionuclide contents in Ilocos Norte feldspar are also close to the average crust. In contrast, the reported radionuclides in El Nido feldspar are higher than the average crust since Northern Palawan has a continental affinity. To analyze REs, our handheld LIBS analyzer was calibrated using a spectrum standardization method. We also compared the handheld LIBS result with the laboratory ICP-MS result. As shown in the table on the right, LACE, SM, and GD contents of El Nido feldspar determined using LIBS are close to those obtained using ICP-MS. Results suggest that handheld LIBS can be an alternative to ICP-MS in determining the values of some REs in feldspar samples. Based on our study, we encourage the funding agencies and coal mining companies to invest in R&D studies related to the physical beneficiation of coal ash to further enrich the RE contents and to conduct further studies about gold occurrence in the Philippine coal. The United States, they are investing millions of dollars in coal RE research. We also recommend government agencies and exploration companies to conduct detailed mineral exploration in the El Nido feldspar deposit and to explore other areas for RE-bearing feldspar deposits like Mindoro and Tawi-Tawi. We also invite interested parties for possible collaborations to utilize LIBS in determining REs in different geological materials. And lastly, we encourage the government and the mining industry to consider developing our coal and feldspar deposits as alternative sources of REs, especially since RE mines in southern China has been closed since 2016. We should grab this opportunity to benefit economically from these potential RE sources. For further details and possible collaboration, don't hesitate to contact me at my email and our telephone number. Thank you very much.